Good morning, dear students. This is Shruti ma'am, Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Today is Tuesday, and previous week already we have started one chapter, that is packing, and yesterday we have also covered some of its portion, and today we will complete. So packing is the story of three friends, writer Zeram Kizeram and Harish and George, and they planned to go somewhere. So that's why packing was necessary, and they started packing. And first, the writer Zeram Kizeram, he started packing because he was very much confident about his quality, about his skill of packing. But then also there were lots of problems. But after Zeram Kizeram, then Harish and George, they started packing, and Harish was the worst packer, and George is like Harish. So they have started their packing, and first they have started by breaking a cup. Then soon they got tensed, and they were making the things that means that they could not pack properly. And almost at the last phase they have come, and there was a dog named Montmorency. And first Harish and George, they were very much irritated. They were very much puzzled because they themselves have made something. Due to that reason, they could not concentrate, they could not pack properly, and now came the dog Montmorency. And writer is telling that Montmorency's highest ambition means what? That the thing that if you can touch, if anybody can touch that, then he or she becomes very much satisfied. So what is the dog, this Montmorency's ambition in life? That always he will get stumbled someone, he will disturb, he will come in front of any person, and that person will be very much angry on this dog, and will scold for at least 1 hour. Then then Montmorency would be very much satisfied that yes, his day was just used properly. And somebody would throw something pointing his head, then also Montmorency is very much satisfied. So Montmorency is such type of dog actually, that to create humor and to just describe Montmorency's nature in a very comic way, writer has told that. So Harish and George, they are packing. There are piles of things, heaps of things, and naturally they were stretching their hand for something, and finally their hand touched nothing but Montmorency's damp and wet nose, cold, damp nose, and they become irritated. Not only that, Montmorency was sitting on the things, and Montmorency was pretending that the lemons are the rats, and that in the hamper just jam was there, and Montmorency played with jam. Montmorency was playing with the spoons, and Montmorency pretended that the lemons were rats, and he had killed 3 of those. So this way it was Montmorency's peak hour to play. And that and what was the time? Time was just almost midnight, and they were tired, they are irritated, they are very much angry, and Montmorency started playing. And Harish then what he had done, he just with a frying pan, he had landed this dog. Then they got rid of this dog, that is Montmorency. And that George was telling that Harish and Zeram Kizeram, they were encouraging the dog. Then the writer told that it is not necessary to encourage Montmorency, dog like Montmorency, because it was his inborn quality that he is a very mischievous fellow, he's a very naughty fellow, and that without anybody's encouragement he can disturb anyone, he can make mad anyone. So finally Harish and George, they had completed their packing. Finally Harish sat on the big hamper, closing that, and told that he thought that nothing would be found broken. Then George told, if something would be found broken, let it be broken. So that means actually now that they were just trying to get rid of this packing, and after all they have packed everything, and now they are least bothered of all those things. If anything is broken, let it be broken. Packing is final. They had finally packed the hamper. And what was the time? The time was 12:50 a.m. almost midnight. And now that those three, they had to sleep, and then Harish would sleep with Jaram ke Jaram. Then they tossed that who would sleep inside the bed and who would be outside. Then another thing was there, that in the morning when they will wake up, then Harish told 6 a.m. and Jaram ke Jaram told 7 a.m. because he needed to write some letters. But for some time they were just they had differences of opinions. After all, they agreed that at 6:30 they would wake up, and that when that George was also there, and George asked them that when he had to wake up, then they told that it is 6:30, and when they were talking with George, then they got no reply. Then they found that George already had been slept. So now George and Harish and Jaram ke Jaram, they went into their bedroom and for sleep. And before going to their bedroom, what they did, that bathtub, they kept the bathtub beside George, because when he will wake up and he will just get in the bathtub, and soon he will be able to finish his bathing. So Harish and Jaram ke Jaram, they went into their bedroom for sleeping. And now your chapter packing is over. So all of you, read your book and watch the video, and if face any problem, then talk to me. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe.